Hi everyone, welcome to Data Intelligence. So in this video, I'm going to explain you the questions which is asked in the Azure DP-900 examination. So this is the first question. So in this video, I'll explain you the question and how to answer for the questions with the explanation. Okay, let's get into the video. So here is the first question, that is the descriptive analytics tells you what is most likely to occur in the future or what occurred in the past and which actions you can perform to affect outcomes, why something occurred in the past. So here is a question like what they ask about, what is descriptive analytics. So they have given four options, so you have to choose any one option which gives the descriptive analytics one. Okay, so before researching about the answer, like I will explain you like what kind of analytics are available in the data domain, and then it will help you to get the answer for this question. Okay, so here coming to the explanation. So the first one you can see is a descriptive analytics. So descriptive analytics is the process of gathering and interpreting the data what has occurred. So it means some uh, some incident or some situation have happened or occurred in the previous time. So now what you are going to do is to give a description about the analysis. So what you have done and what happened and why it happened and everything. Okay, this is descriptive analytics, so which is occurred in the past, okay, which already happened, is the descriptive analytics. So simply saying, we can describe any incident or situation only if it's occurred before. Okay, so this is descriptive analytics. And next one is the diagnostic analytics. So it is the process of gathering and interpreting the different data sets to identify the anomalies, detect patterns, and determine relationships. So the word diagnostics give you a clear idea that when most of the time in the medical field they will use the word diagnostics. So diagnostic is means to identify if a patient have any disease or what kind of disease, and they will predict like this disease may give any side effects or anything. So we'll be predicting some disease or something. So it's a gentle example I'm giving you. So likewise, this diagnostic analysis helps to identify the anomalies and detect the patterns and determine the relationships. Okay, and the third one is the predictive analytics. So the word predictive gives like it's a category of business intelligence that use descriptive and predictive variables from the past to analyze. So how we can predict? So for example, like if you want to predict the sales of a particular company, we need the previous history of the company sales and all the data. Okay, so if we know the past data, then we can predict so the sales will increase or decrease. So for the prediction we need the data of the past incidents. Okay, and here it will gives the idea for how to identify the likelihood of an unknown future outcome. So like we can predict, so it will be the sales will increase or decrease, so it will give a future outcome of the particular process. Okay, and cognitive analytics, so this is the software learns by itself without telling it what to do. Okay, so cognitive means it learns on its own, so by making more intelligence. So we have number of intelligent technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep learning. So okay, we have a lot of technologies which they can learn by itself by training and validating the results. So we can use these techniques to do the cognitive analytics which it can learn by itself. Okay, so these are the four major type of analytics. So this will be helping you for preparing for the DP-900. So if they ask for any question, so here the question is descriptive analytics tells you what. Okay, likewise, for example, if they can ask a question, predictive analytics tells you what. So from this you can understand, like if they ask any question, now you can answer it. Okay, so here if you see here, the first option is what most likely to occur in the future. So if you are predicting something in the future, the future outcome, then it comes under predictive analysis. Okay, and what occurred in the past, so that this is the exact answer for this question, that is the descriptive analytics. So we can describe only if any incidents that happen in the past. Okay, and the third option is which action you can perform to affect the outcomes. So like we can predict or forecast by learning by itself. So sometimes we have the artificial intelligence tool or machine learning model which could perform some training or modeling, which will check that, which will affect the outcomes. Okay, that kind of analytics comes under cognitive analysis. Okay, and the final one is why something occurred in the past. So here there is more difference between these and the second option and the fourth option. So here what occurred in the past is a descriptive, so you can just explain what occurred. Why something occurred, you are going to diagnostic, you are going to identify why it's happened, like why something occurred in the past. Then that analytics is called as the diagnostic analysis. So I think this will give you a clear idea about how to answer this question. So you will get this type of question. So if they ask the analysis kind of questions on this four type of analysis, then it will be easy for you to answer. Hope you got some idea about how to answer these type of questions. And if you would like to know about more questions, do subscribe my channel, like and comment. So if you have any questions regarding the DP-900 preparation, you can ask me in the comment section. So thanks for watching the channel. Do subscribe. Thank you so much.